Are you having an issue with sticking injectors on your Detroit DD15? Hard start, rough idle, or high RPMs while driving? Stuck injectors can lead to overfueling, even harming unrelated engine components. Avoid any negative impacts to your truck and bottom line. Get back on the road with America's diesel engine parts supplier. Contact the experts at Highway and Heavy Parts, where we provide education, online resources, technical knowledge, and service, getting you back on the road. Experience the difference Highway and Heavy Parts can do for you and your diesel engine. Like this Detroit Diesel DD15 Common Rail Fuel Injector. Each DD15 injector is completely disassembled and thoroughly inspected. 100% of the critical components are replaced with genuine OE parts. All injectors are produced and tested using the latest OEM technology, crafted according to strict OEM specifications with the latest upgrades to the component, resulting in reduced engine noise, low fuel consumption, and high torque at low engine speeds. Quality, performance, and power. Backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty and industry-leading service from our ASC certified parts technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping from America's diesel engine parts supplier. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.